What's going on YouTube? It's Root Junkie here, and in today's video we've got another payload review. Okay, this payload is probably one of my favorites that I've created. It's very fun. It's called Run in Terminal. Okay, and we're gonna try to show it off as best I can. It does have some kind of idiosyncrasies to it, but works pretty well in general. There can be payloads that it may not work on, but most of my testing says it works really well. So we're going to show it to you. It's really cool. So to do that, I think I have it in my payloads directory. Let's go see. I should have it in there. So it should be in here under favorites, and then if I have it, yeah. So right here, it's called Run in Terminal or Run Payloads in Terminal. Okay, you run this, and it actually you run it once. Once it's done, this functionality is set up on your device. I'm not even going to run it because I've run it already. I just wanted to show you where it's at. And what it does is it sets up the structure for this to work. Okay? So let's go down here to the terminal. Lots of fun stuff in the terminal. So we're going to say we want to run a payload. Well, have you already seen my favorites manager, right? You've seen it run on the device. We want to run it in the terminal. Okay? So we're going to go CD to that thing. So let's see if we can do it. Should be pay. There we go. User 1 F. Okay. So here's the payload, right? That's the actual file that contains that payload. So we want to run it. So all you do is you type run, lowercase, do a tab to autocomplete, so it's run.sh, and you can do this anywhere. Okay, anywhere in the terminal, it should work. All right, and then you're gonna do PA. And another tab to autocomplete that for payload.sh, and then you're going to hit enter. Alright, so again it gives you a thing saying favorites manager, this is what it does, add, remove, update, blah blah blah. You hit yes for Y, and look, it looks like the exact same structure if you've seen my previous video right here. Add, remove. Okay, I think we did a remove, so we're gonna go hit number 2. Here's all the payloads that are in your favorites folder, and I actually want to remove ARP, which is 14. So we're going to go 14, enter, and here you go, back to what you have. You want to exit it, and you exit. Boom. You just ran this payload in terminal. The payload is not designed to run in terminal. So what I'm doing is I'm converting different commands to make it function in terminal. It's designed to run on the device, on the screen. And now we're converting it live to run in terminal, and it does it each time you run the payload. So it's not like rewriting the whole payload to run it. It's literally converting it live. It's very cool. It uses something called a shim. So that's that payload. I'm going to show you another one. So let's go into, and I use this one for my LEDs. So there's some LEDs on the screen that you can toggle, and right now they're red and green. Now you're not going to see this in the video, but I'm just going to show you the payload run. So we're going to toggle these LEDs. So if you look at them, you have the payloads. So you're going to do run, pay, and then you run it. What do you want to do with those LEDs? Turn them on, turn them off. I want to disable them. So we're going to go to 0. Boom, payload done, disabled. Okay, they just turned off on my device. So it's really nice. I actually really like this a lot. It's a lot faster if you have a keyboard hooked up, if you're in the virtual pager, to run your payloads like this. Than going through the menu and doing the toggles and stuff up here. But if you don't have a terminal and you're just using the device out in the field, love that feature. It's great. It's amazing. You can run it, on the device. It's great. That's how the payloads are designed. I just wanted to show you here, if you're in development, you can run the payload just like this. Very cool process. Very neat feature. Hope you guys enjoy this payload. Please check it out. Again, at Hak5's GitHub page will be linked below this. And that's going to wrap it up for this video. I will catch you in the next one. Root Junkie out.